Today, I'm going to share with you how to make thousands of dollars a day trading options in less than 5 minutes. Now, when we drop into trading SPY, we want to go on a day trader's window. This would be a 1 minute, a 5 minute, a micro time frame that you're going to be able to enter and exit. You're going to trade, scalp, whatever you feel comfortable with. And we're going to map out two key levels. First, we're going to go to the pre-market high. This is the AM session here. We're going to mark a level there. We're also going to go to the pre-market low and mark a separate line there. So you could see PMH for pre-market high, PML abbreviated here for pre-market low. Then what we're going to want to do is go back to the previous day. Today is Wednesday. You go back to Tuesday's trading session and you mark out another two levels. This would be the high of the day and the low of the day. 1, 2, right there. And you abbreviate it PDH, previous day high, previous day low, PDL. Get familiar with these terms. This is crucial for you to keep this in the back of your head so that you can interpret these call outs moving forward. Last but certainly not least, we want to go and look at the first 5 minute print. So we're on a 5 minute window. We're going to observe this first candle. So as you could see from the top wick to the bottom wick, we're going to map out two separate lines there. 1, 2. And we labeled it 5 minute high, 5 minute low. You're not done yet. I want you to stick around for 2 more minutes here. We want to observe now the price action, what actually occurred today. You could see that the action used these levels as a magnet if we go on the 1 minute chart. If you traded off of these levels today, you did fantastic. Look at how many times it worked nearly to perfection. Intraday, we see a perfect rejection, perfect bounce. We see this numerous times. It's like a magnet. Really, really incredible stuff. The market usually is never this simple, but for me, we've had a really incredible grip on it. We are understanding how it's moving. We're one step ahead of the competition. Pause the video if you have to. Write this down, put it to memory, journal it. This is so important every single day for you to get in the habit of doing this. I promise over the next 3 to 4 weeks, come back, comment on this video, how it's changed your trading, and I guarantee we're going to get at least 15, 20 people that are going to have incredible success by simply just mapping out these lines because it's going to act as a guideline. It's going to bunch the price action into a range that you're going to visually see cues and you're going to understand where the price could gravitate towards. Okay, so as we could tell, we're going lower and lower and lower. Now we give out our first scenario here. We did not take this level, but I said I would not short here. I would wait for a retest and fade, then take the previous day low as your risk to reward, which is RR level. As you could see here, we would not want to short as the market's coming lower. We don't want to buy puts here. Everyone looks to do that. We want to make sure that we break this level down, which again, we saw today was acting as support every time it went below. Buyers stepped in and pushed the price back up. We want to break the level clean, back test the level, enter here short as we see the sign of weakness, and then it starts to curl back down. Now, if it goes above, we cut. That is our risk to reward 709.25, and that's how we would take a hypothetical short. Since the market pushed back up, we said, or the exact opposite, which is the same level, risk to reward here, which is essentially now breaking out of the range, coming back down, retesting it, and then continuing higher. And that's exactly what we saw. And I said today is not really a day I want anyone to make big decisions, but the more you start to game out scenarios and get comfortable where you would take risk to, the better off you're going to be in the long run. Cleaner entries, define stops. As you get that continuation, you raise your targets or your stops as you get that big move so you can lock in the profits. And then we see a huge breakout here, exactly how we envisioned it playing out on the chart directly from the Discord. Now, one more thing before I let you go. If you're interested in joining our diverse community, all different levels of experience, all different walks of life, from beginner traders to advanced, you can head to our website, avidcapital.co/Discord. We would love to have you. Our rate currently is $44 a month. Next Friday, April 8th, we are raising the rate to $99. So please take advantage of it while you can. It's going to double in price. We want to see new members, new faces that are looking to turn it around, looking to achieve their financial goals in 2026.